Hi BIM learner, welcome to bimmodeler.com. So in this video tutorial, we will be discussing about the family options in the continuous of the previous video that we have in a family. There is an option called room point, room calculation point. What happens when you enable this point? So whether you enable it or not in your project, if you have a particular object, you will be able to take a schedule whether this particular furniture, which room it is under. So this option was available previously with the MEP components. Now it's also available in recent version for all the major of the components family category. It's available. For in this case, for the category of furniture, which is a table we created in the previous tutorial about shared parameter, shared option in the family. If you missed that, I have linked in the top corner. You can refer that. So you can see that room name. So in the field, you can see under this room option, you can add the parameter room name or room level, whatever the parameter that you wanted to add. You can add it from here in the furniture schedule. Similarly, I have created for the door also, and from the door field category, from room and to room option, you will be able to add the names here, and the name will be reflected here. As you can see that there are two doors available. One door which is blank, which is coming from the outside. The other one is bedroom to the kitchen it goes. So this is how the room it is calculated in the project. So what is the purpose of that room calculation point? When you enable this option, you will be able to see where this actual point is there. You can select them and you will be able to move it like this, front, back, on all the 3x directions. So if you do this, you will be able to see that the room point is moving, and you will be able to load this into the project and override the existing version. If you select that, the room point, you will be able to see it. So when you apply this, sometime you may be placing the components nearby the wall or any other object. It may obstruct the room position. So to avoid that, you have to move this point and you will be able to see inside the room geometry, and you will be able to see them. Similarly, you can select the door. You couldn't see that because the enabling option is we have to do it inside the family room calculation point. You can see in door there are 2 points instead of one in the furniture. In door you will be able to see the 2 points, and you will be able to rotate them as well, which direction that you wanted to do it, interior to exterior, exterior to interior, and you will be able to move the points position that you wanted to cover like this, and you will be able to load that into the project and over the existing version. And when you select the door, you will be able to see the from and to options like this. So this is just a representation for us to understand how our room are behaving from and to. You will be able to see that in the project as reference. You can turn it off, and the parameters still exist, and we will be able to get our values. So make sure that the from direction and to directions are good, and you can go with that. If you need, you can flip the door, and you will be able to get the right names in the schedule. That's the main agenda that we have related to this option, room parameter, room calculation point. So do let me know if you have anything related to this, similar to this, anything you are missing in the Revit. Do let me know. I will create a tutorial for you, and do put it that comment section, and I will be more than happy to address it for you. Do visit bimmodeler.com for free family creations, and if you have needed any families for your project, do request us. We can do it as a service for you. Do share it with your learning friends so that it will be helpful for us as well. Thank you. Take care.